Get ready to assemble. Marvel Tokon's open beta is live, and you can dive in right now. You're probably wondering what this new Marvel game has in store. Let's break it down. First off, the open beta's a huge deal. It means you can play a nearly finished version of the game without spending a dime. The beta's packed with features, from character customization to epic boss battles. You'll get to play as iconic Marvel heroes like Iron Man and Captain America. But here's the kicker, the game's not just about running around and punching bad guys. There's a deep storyline with intricate cutscenes. You'll be making choices that affect the game world, and that's pretty cool. Now, you're probably thinking, is it really that different from other Marvel games? Well, let's find out. The gameplay's pretty slick, with a mix of exploration and combat. You can switch between characters on the fly, using their unique abilities to take down enemies. But what about the graphics? They're stunning, with detailed character models and environments. You'll feel like you're right in the middle of a Marvel movie. But, there's a catch, the beta's only available for a limited time. So, you'll want to jump in ASAP. Let's talk about the character customization. You can tweak your hero's looks, abilities, and gear. It's pretty in-depth, with a ton of options to choose from. You can even create your own custom hero, which is a nice touch. Now, you're probably wondering about the epic boss battles. Let's just say they're intense. You'll be facing off against some of Marvel's most iconic villains, from Thanos to Ultron. The battles are challenging, but rewarding. You'll need to use all your skills and abilities to take them down. But, here's the thing, the game's not without its flaws. There are some minor bugs and glitches, but the devs are working hard to iron them out. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join the Marvel Tokon universe? The open beta's the perfect chance to try it out. And who knows, you might just find your new favorite game. Subscribe for daily entertainment videos.